Kaseng jong ki dukot ki bamla banyu I ki khmat ka balatep kum ka blind lead thrust hapo ka jinglam khmat u jitendra dakhar kum shibenta ban pensngau thu I ki ba halor ka jingim baman ka sngi jong ki briu ki bamla banyu I ki khmat ha ka khat riu terik mentau banai kalalengkot arjar arpun riu kala pelong ye ka jingedi sha hapo ka kamra ka bedum tliu ka balapen krek kerpang ha ka wei ki hall jong ka state central library Shillong ka boong ha ka ktin nong wei cafe in the dark hakani ka kamra ki don riu tali ki jaka banyedi sha ha ka ba labo lupa ya ki ketli sha ki pela ki jingbam di sha ka shini kamlo bat udai ha ka ba ki pat ba kin antat ha ka por be ki shong di sha hapdeng ka jingdum ki antat kum kini ki breu ki bam yu I ki khmat bat nalor ki jingbam labo ru I ki pisa khutia bakin antat ya ka dor jong ka pisa hakani ka sngi na ki riu pau khmat ki bala lej ban mat ye rukom im jeng ki briu ki bamla ban yu I ki bor khmat ki kenthop ye nong bishar ka Meghalaya High Court u MP ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat but Deputy Director ka Tanat Social Welfare kat ba na ki Menteri Sarkar Shim Ladon ki ban lej mi khmat syakani ka program
Ka program kabangi pelong tagasni kade kabangi khot ka cafe dadak kabamut ba ngin ngin sha na ngin don ka small ka cafe mo hapo jong ka jingdom ka jingthmu jong ni ka program kalong ba ngin create ya ka awareness program but ni kwa ro ban wanra ta ka jingkla haka imlang salang ke jongi haka ba saphang ka jingim saphang ka jingyai lenti bat saphang ka rekom trei rekom kta bat ki jinge ki ba mangi kum kita ki breu ki bamla ban I ki khmat ba ki kita ki ba mangi ni kendo jinge kum hakino ki banta bat ki pade kita ki ba mangi nila ban le te longba jong ni program ka longba ni kwa ban pensau tho sake imlang salang longba kini ki invitees ki jongi ke bangila invite kum na ki government ki officer government kum na social welfare department nangta kum na honorable chief justice ru klawan nangta ki kiwe ru kiwan ki NGOs te kejing temu ke jongi ban pelong ini program kalong ba ni kwa ban thau lene ban seng ko da ka balong permanent cafe dadak ka ba hang ni hasilong hi kwa ban ple ka ba longba jong ka cafe bade nila ban ai kam ai jam nila ban thep kam yakini ki perlok ki para badan jingdunat khotmet ki jongi ki men ki para ki jongi hakaba kumno ngila ban kila ban kamai dalade kumno bang ngila ban yeng halajong ki kijat longba jong ni cafe naba kani ka cafe ru kam don hira hapo north east de ladangile kawai hasilong kaban long very unique but kathong jongi longba ladangin pli kata ka cafe nadak hasilong kamut ba kino ki briu ne ki citizen ki bakwa ban one experience kila ban one hano no po te ya kata ka feru ni temu hi ban pele hapo jong ka jingdom but kendon kunjo hi kendon kasha kendon ru ki workshop ki bangin ai kum ki let's say kum ki games nangta kum ki ban sna jing sna knang ba longba jong ita I jingle jong I kan yarap pade yang I ba ya ka imlang salang ba kan sotho ki kita ki kumno bakin le kumno bakin penbit pendiang le ban pen lada ki don kano ka platform le ki don kano ka jingsna bakin tip ken bakin kan mau ken bakan don ka jingsa jing kan mau hakiba o ka accessibilities jong ki bri badon jingdonat khotmet hakikmat kalong don kam ha ka to kerkom
very emotional as you can tell. I generally keep my feet on the ground and I appreciate everything in my life, but that opened my eyes even wider, making me even more blessed, more lucky. We don't even realize how lucky we are. how colorful the world is for us, and these people cannot see it. It was really, really, um, yeah, as you can tell, it's very emotional, and I'm very grateful for the experience. I came all the way from Australia to Shillong, and I didn't expect to experience that. I was trying to volunteer yesterday, and I'm glad I'm a part of this event because it makes me appreciate my life even more and more. So this is the first time you experience? First time that I experienced that, yes. From the point of view of people who cannot see it. It was very first time. I mean, we can only imagine, but when you actually put yourself in a situation where you cannot see nothing, I put my fingers into salt instead of sugar. I drenched my tea on the side of the cup, not in the cup. So they only are little things, but they actually are very big things. So very, very important. And what can I say? I'm just extremely grateful for the experience that will probably, not probably, will definitely stay in my life, in my heart forever. And I'll appreciate even more these people in our lives, and we should do more for them.